Whether you're personalising jewellery, creating decorative pieces, or adding custom branding, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. Engraving flat sheets using the Magic E7 and S7 engraving machine is a precise and efficient process that allows for intricate designs and text to be etched onto metal surfaces. First, using digital verniers, measure your metal blank for the dimensions. On the software, select an oval template and input these exact measurements. Now secure the metal sheet firmly into the vise. This ensures a clean and accurate engraving process. Now let's add some design. On the software, click Design Sample and select Deco. For this demonstration, we're choosing a floral design, but feel free to explore other options. Adjust the size, scale it to match your metal measurements, and rotate the image to suit your preferred style. This is where you get creative. Next, it's time to create the toolpath. Select your design, then at the top of the software, choose the Hatching Toolpath option. Carefully enter the engraving details, ensuring everything matches your design requirements like Z speed and depth. Once you're happy with the settings, click Create Toolpath. The machine now knows exactly what to do. Simply select the device in the top right, click on Magic E7 and then select the Start Engraving button. The machine will take it from here, prepping everything for the next stage. Before the engraving begins, we need to confirm the boundary area. On the front of the machine, press and hold the arrow buttons. This moves the laser pointer to outline the engraving space. Once everything looks good, hit the play button. The Magic E7 or S7 will get to work, transforming your design into reality. Once the engraving process is complete, carefully remove the metal from the vise. Your custom engraving is now finished, clean, precise, and ready to shine. By following these simple steps, measuring, designing, and engraving, you can achieve professional results with ease. With a bit of practice, you'll be beautifully crafting personalised engravings in no time.